Tech Talk on short channel model of CMOS repeater inverter. Firstly, I am going to tell about introduction. Scaling continues for the benefit of digital. For analog, this is not necessarily beneficial, but desirable to have everything on one die. SOC. Designing an analog and mixed signal circuits, we need to be aware of the implications so that we can design circuits that perform well despite short channel effects. CMOS scaling. Reducing feature size is very attractive for digital circuits. Higher density, lower cost, reduced power consumption, faster, less capacitance can be beneficial for analog depending on the application. Reduced VDD, increased current, gain is low because output resistance is decreased. Higher speed, FT, opens up for new applications in CMOS. Example, wave. Short versus long channel, a loose definition. Typically, a long channel device will behave according to the square law model. The behavior of a short channel device will not be accurately predicted by the square law model. Repeater inverter. Delay and power dissipation are the two major design constraints in very large-scale integration circuits. These arise due to millions of active devices and interconnections connecting this gigantic number of devices on the chip. Important technique of repeater insertion in long interconnections to reduce delay in VLSI circuits has been reported during the last 2 decades. The new finding given here is that optimum number of repeaters required for delay minimization decreases with voltage scaling. This leads to area and further power saving. Research limitations. The bibliographic survey needs to be revised in future, taking the various other aspects of VLSI interconnects with noise, crosstalk extra into account. Originality oblique value. The paper is of high significance in VLSI design and low power high speed applications. It is also very valuable for new researchers in this emergency field. Transistors and interconnects are the basic building blocks of integrated circuits. Scaling of transistors at deep submicron technologies improves their performance. On the other hand, the interconnect performance is required to be suitable in terms of speed and power and also satisfying the ITRS requirements. Repeater insertion at proper intervals reduces the delay of long wires. Delay of an interconnect is directly proportional to the square of its length. Inserting repeaters at intermediate levels divides the wire into smaller segments, which makes the delay linear to the length of the interconnect. Scaling down the supply voltage for low power operation also increases the signal delay. Technology node scaling leads to more power dissipation and increases the signal delay. Therefore, it is required to design a repeater to boost the signal at low operating voltages but not compromising speed and power.